So here we go. Look at that BMW lineup this morning, but the E38 7 Series is going to get these manky, look at the state of those alloys, refurbished today, and that will make quite a difference to this car already. So we're at Speedy's Wheels and Tyres in Middlesbrough, and today is the day that the E38 gets its wheels restored and back to looking absolutely mint. You're going to wonder what I've done in terms of the finish on this, and I'm going to go with like a really hyper silver. So I'm going to try and keep them looking pretty OEM, but I wanted it to be really bright and really stand out against this Biarritz blue on this E38. So I can't wait to pick this up. They're going to be ready at some stage tomorrow, so I'm going to disappear off and crack on with some of the other jobs that we've got, and then I'll see you when we come back. Take care. Well, I'm back down here in Middlesbrough, and the E38 is in the background. I don't know if you can see it there. And the wheels are done, kind of, but we've had a bit of a problem, and let me tell you exactly what's happened. So the front wheel, let me come and show you this. The front wheel looks absolutely great. And I don't know if you can see in the background, but this rear wheel down here has gone a bit grey, and that's because they've had a problem with the compressor when they did this, and I think something to do with the humidity. It's not quite right. So I'm going to have to leave the car here for another day, and they're going to redo these wheels and get them absolutely perfect. Having got the wheels finished, I decided to give them a quick ceramic coating. As I didn't have any specific wheel ceramic coating, I just used carbon collective molecule, which I got lying around the house. Whilst the wheels were off, we investigated where the knocking's coming from on the suspension by putting the car on some axle stands and just having a little poke around. Alas, we didn't really find what we wanted, so this is something we're going to have to come back to soon. Go on. It's definitely for me, driver's side. Right guys, where are we heading now? That's a very good question. Well, I'm heading to the body shop to get a quotation on this E38. It's desperately in need of paint. I'm not sure how far we go with this. Is it just the front end, or do we do both sides of the car where there's a bit of lack appeal? Comment below, let me know what you think. Let's go and get a price.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder.
So where am I taking the car? Well, I'm taking the car to a body shop up in Washington in the northeast of England, and it's the first time that I've used this place. I do know Chris, and I know of Chris through some other friends, and I've seen some jobs he's done and they've been really, really good. So I'm hoping that he can actually bring this E38 back to life and make it look as fresh as the day that it rolled out of the factory, at least on the front end for now. Now my E38 is finished in Biarritz blue, and I really, really like this colour because when it's dark and overcast, it looks kind of understated, and it's still kind of very classy. It's a very classic BMW colour. In the sunshine, that colour really comes alive, and you see all of the metallic, and it looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, I already started machine polishing this. You saw the disaster video. I'll link to it up here somewhere. If you've not seen that video, go back and watch it when I first got the car. And we started a paint correction. We knew there were lack appeal problems in parts on the bonnet, but we didn't realise how bad. So we wanted to make it look presentable. It went wrong. We ended up with major lack of failure, which is why it's going in for paint. And that was months ago. But if you've tried to get a car painted recently, you'll know that a lot of body shops are really, really booked up. Quite a few of the body shops that I use are absolutely snowed under. I've really struggled to get cars in to get them finished or done, and hence we are using a new body shop today. So exciting times, but fingers crossed, this is going to come out looking absolutely banging. Come on Chris, do not let me down. Make my 740 look the absolute dogs. It's going to be absolute and utter mayhem up in here today, really is. You can see I'm excited, I really am. Right guys, I am here outside Hydrotech up in Washington in the northeast, and that's because, if you can see in the background, they've got my E38 in here, which has just had a little bit of paintwork refresh on the front end. So if you're in the northeast and you are looking for someone to do a bit of paintwork on your car, or you want some dipping doing, or you want some custom paintwork, then this is a great place to come. Let's go inside, take a look, because I'm excited to see just how good this E38 looks. Come on, let's go.
We all want the same. We all want a meal in the safe. I want to live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel bent from the bib. Take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house.
So, as M539 Restoration says, keep it classy, keep it OEM. In this case, maybe not. I know he's going to be upset with me, but it is what it is. I do fancy coilovers on an E38, and it's slammed on the floor. I'm not going to go to the extreme of air ride. Or should I? Maybe I should. That would go full Matt Armstrong spec on this car. So Matt, I know that you're probably not watching this video, but if you are, comment below and say slam that car on air ride and I will consider it. Well, I'm with the E38 and I'm getting this car washed, getting all of that sanding residue off the front of this car so I can show you how it looks right now with the front end painted and the wheels, and it's definitely a lot better than it was. But it has brought up the flaws elsewhere in the paintwork, and I think I'm going to have a little bit more paintwork done to be truly happy with this car. But let's get this washed now and let me show you what it's like, and then we can talk about all of the other mechanical things I want to do to make sure that this is ready for summer. Let's go. So there's a few little holograms on the bonnet in the paintwork from the rotary. Not a big deal, we can soon take those out with a little bit more detailing and compounding. A few little sanding marks again, we're probably just going to sand those back a little bit with maybe a 3000, a wet sand, and then we'll compound those back out again so we get a really nice finish on this. Colour match is not bad, to be fair. So what do we do? Do we do the rest of the car? God knows. It looks nice in the sun though from here, doesn't it? Definitely a lot better than it was. I actually could drive this around now without feeling ashamed. This is by no stretch of the imagination a detail that's going on here. We are just washing the car so that I can have a proper look at the paint and decide what I do from here. I can't decide whether or not to do the rest of the paintwork on the car, replace all the trims, the window trims, etc., so that aesthetically it looks great, or whether or not we should move on and do a bit more of the mechanical stuff on the car and also sort out the stereo, because that is really quite annoying. Comment below and let me know what you think I should do. If you haven't yet subscribed, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to have loads more content with this E38 and some of the other cars on the channel. There's new stuff to come too, but comment and tell me what to do with the E38, because you know something, I am really undecided.
It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted. But you could not be more wrong. I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice. Just let me stay in this vibe and never
E38 is the best looking BMW that BMW ever made. And that's not just my opinion, that's a fact. You don't even need me to tell you. Just look over my shoulder, there, and you can see for yourself. Can you think of a better BMW? No, I didn't think so, but if you can, comment below. But you'll be wrong. Right guys, that's it for now, but thank you for watching this episode of All Talk. Do not forget to subscribe and make sure you smash that like button, and also comment below. In fact, share it, do whatever you want with it. But for now, I'm going to go and drive this thing. 4.4 litre V8 baby, perfect, let's go.
Pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. And you ain't for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a real gal Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands and the bops like Dilla. Love it when you hill up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Touch to have your ex-man back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bitch, I can still leave here as the best man, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you